In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in the pop-up and go into Tab menu. Now tap on this pen at the top right corner, hit Edit over here, and add your new Caffeine shortcut from available buttons to your current menu by holding it, dragging it, and placing it whenever you want to. When you're ready, hit Done at the top right corner twice. Click on your new shortcut. Select the gray switcher next to Allow Permission and go back to Tab menu to click on your new shortcut and this time activate it. As you can see, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!